channel. I'm here. I'm here again in the car park. I'm bringing my drink. I have oatmeal. Yes, I'm eating now, Jan. Your chocolate. It's not yet hard. I just put a little bit in the fridge. Yummy. Thank you, Jan. Morning, everyone. Welcome to my channel. This is Lovely Rita Chanley in the car park. Almost 7, guys. You know, guys, last night before my sir come, I washed the mom things for the baking. I don't know what's the name. It's like a scooper but still it's not plastic. And then, you know, guys, because I saw the dirt inside, so I just take out the thing, take out the screw. After that, I cannot put back, guys. My madam mad again. She's talking for hour and then she stopped. Until now I cannot put back. Also last night she's trying to put back. I cannot put back. Luckily she is not mad at all. Maybe she is controlling her temper, because he's scared to scold me and scold me. I don't know how to put back, guys. Later I try again. I'll show you how I will find to stick. I think it's I need to stick the thing so it can connect. I really don't know. Then sir again try to fix. Last night I saw in the table because they are eating late, but I go to sleep already. It's 10:30, I think. I'll go sleep. And then I saw in the table, still not fixing. That's very nice. I like it. Send me more this, John, if I'm home. What's the name? I like it. It's milky. What's the name? I cannot read. It's not just a chocolate, guys. It's mixed ingredients. I think it's very nice. After it's hard already, I will. So far, that's why England to Malaysia, melted. 3 weeks trap in the office. Because yesterday, guys, I said when my boss is going out, sir, what happened to my parcel? And he said, because I didn't go in the office yet. That's why I never take. He moved in another office, guys, another place. So I said, maybe the chocolate, sir, is melted already. He said, no, the office is got aircon. You see, melted. Thank you guys for watching. That's all for today. And just wipe the car. See, wipe only. Bye bye. See you soon. Have a nice day. Thank you very much for watching my vlog. Chan, take care. USA, India. Thank you. Brazil, thank you. Indonesia, thank you watching. Have a nice day. This is lovely Rita.